and the student friends are being welcomed by esteemed Mr. Manager and respected Mr. Principal. As they make their way to the entrance, a special welcome is being rendered by the medical appeal to the chief guest, Secretary Mustaf, to the guest of honor, to esteemed Mr. Manager and Doubtful Dr. Naresha, to respected Mr. Principal.
As we welcome back three of our own shining stars, ones who were dreamers, who walked the corridors of the school. They return today as accomplished achievers. As we celebrate this grand annual function, we are deeply honored to have among us Captain Meher Sandhu as our distinguished chief guest. Captain Sandhu is the embodiment of excellence, perseverance and leadership, the qualities nurtured right here in this very institution. Her journey is one of inspiration, following in the footsteps of her father and uncle, proud Marians of their time. Miss Sandhu excelled in academics, sports and arts. A record-setting swimmer, star athlete, games captain and triathlete. She graduated in mathematics before pursuing her dream of flying. She successfully cleared the Indian Prince exam in her first attempt, trained as a commercial pilot, and now proudly flies for Air India. Dear ma'am, your presence fills us with immense pride. I request our youngest Marian, a kindergarten angel, to present an eco-friendly token of welcome to our distinguished alumna and chief guest, Captain Meher Sandhu. Shweta ma'am will be joining us very shortly. She is the upper civil judge. Her inspiring journey from these very halls of learning to her esteemed position today is a testament to her brilliance and determination. After graduating in science, she pursued LLB at Amroha College of Law and with unwavering dedication cleared the UPPCSJ examination on her first attempt, a truly extraordinary achievement. Well, she's not here, but she'll be joining us very soon. We are privileged to welcome a luminary whose journey from the classrooms of St. Mary to the pinnacle of corporate excellence is truly inspiring. Our guest of honor, the highly respected Shri Raj Kamal Gupta ji. Over a remarkable 30-year career, he has worked with global giants like Pepsi, Vodafone and Xerox and is the visionary founder of Cosmopolitan Plus, an NGO dedicated to women empowerment and employee welfare. A former fashion model, educator, mentor and corporate trainer, Shri Gupta ji exemplifies versatility and leadership. Dear sir, it is an honor to have you with us. I invite our pretty tiny tot to present a sapling as a token of our respect and admiration to Shri Gupta ji. I request Mr. Principal to present a sapling to our honorable guest of honor. Waiting is over and we have our guest of honor, Upper Civil Judge, Ms. Shweta Kashyap. Her inspiring journey from these very halls of learning to her esteemed position today is a testament to her brilliance and determination. After graduating in science, she pursued LLB at Amroha College of Law and with unwavering dedication, she cleared the UPPCSJ examination on her first attempt, a truly extraordinary achievement. Ma'am, your success story lights the path for our young Marians. Kindly accept a warmest welcome as a beautiful angel presents you with a fragrant sapling. Let us all extend our heartfelt applause to our graceful guest of honor. I request Mr. Principal to pin the badge to Ms. Shweta Kashyap. Our school secretary is pinning the badge to our honorable guest of honor. These remarkable personalities among us today are sure to ignite passion and ambition in every Marian present. In their harmony and guidance, dreams take flight. With wisdom and love, we build futures bright. We feel immense pleasure to warmly welcome our esteemed dignitaries whose benign presence graces this occasion. A very special and heartfelt welcome to revered fathers and sisters whose guidance continue to illuminate the path of education and values. We feel delighted to welcome the honorable principals of various schools whose dedication inspires excellence in education. Finally, a heartfelt welcome to our ever-supportive parents whose love and encouragement are the cornerstones of our success. स्वागत व आशीर्वाद है रोशनी देता है और हर कदम को एक नई दिशा में ले जाता है। With these warm ceremonial greetings, we look forward to an evening of inspiration and celebration. A truly unforgettable experience for all. Over to our young anchors on the stage now.
A very good evening, dear guests. You arrived and the air turned sweet. A spark of joy, our hearts quick beat. With every step, this place shines bright, turning this moment into sheer delight. मैं खुशी महफिल आपके आने से खुशियों से भरपूर अब राहें करते हैं स्वागत आपका दिल से मुस्कान से रोशन हुआ हर पल आपके साथ से My dear friend, like every other auspicious occasion, are we going to start this evening by conducting our customary lamp lighting ceremony? Yes, the lamp is all set. We shall invoke the divine spirit by lighting the lamp. And for this, we very humbly request our honorable chief guests of honor, Reverend Sister Manager and Sister Principal, to kindly come and light the lamp. I also request teachers representative, dear Deepmala ma'am and school coordinator, dear Nishat ma'am, to assist in accomplishing this ceremony. दीप की ज्योति से मिटे अज्ञान, प्रकाशित हो जीवन, मिले नया ज्ञान। जले ये दीप प्रेम और आशा के संग हम सब के दिलों में भर दे नया रंग। हंसतो
के नजारे देखे हैं। इस जमीन पर अजीब मखलूक और कोख से बहते धारे देखे हैं। क्यों मैं तारीफे हक बयां न करूं, उसकी अजमत में क्यों बयां न करूं।
in welcoming Sister Principal to the stage. And her address will be followed by the creative presentation of the school annual report.
Good evening, respected dignitaries, our esteemed chief guest, honored special invitees, valued parents, dedicated faculties, and my dear students. It is with immense pleasure that I welcome you all to this grand occasion of our school's annual day celebration. Today, we have gathered here to celebrate the achievement of our students, ex-students, and also to honor the continuous support, dedication, and the consistent hard work that goes into shaping the future of our young minds, the architects of our future leaders. First and foremost, I would like to extend a heartfelt welcome to our chief guest, Captain Meghar Sandhu, who has graced this occasion with her presence. A very warm and a special welcome to our invited guest, Honorable Shweta Kashyap, Shri Rajkamal Gupta, principals of neighboring schools, fathers, sisters, and well-wishers, who have taken out of the time to be with us here today to acknowledge our efforts and encourage our students. Your presence means a lot to us as it reflects your support and encouragement for the educational journey of our future generations. To the parents who are integral members of our school family, we express our deepest gratitude for the trust and belief you have placed in us as partners in your child's learning, growing journey. Your unwavering support helps us to keep striving to bring out the best in each and every child. As parents, your role in nurturing and guiding your child is invaluable and indispensable towards their development. Your support and encouragement are the foundations of their self-confidence, determination, and a healthy growth and development. Here at school, we acknowledge and celebrate the individuality of every single student. I call upon you as well to encourage and celebrate the uniqueness of each child and to continuously strive to inculcate in them the time-tested, universal and true values and virtues of love, respect, humanity, humility, kindness, compassion, honesty, hard work and perseverance. Let us teach them that no success is final and no failure is fatal. In today's world that's moving an extraordinary fast pace, let us remember to face down and be present with our children to help them in shaping their future lives. Encourage them to explore their passions and help them to understand that making mistakes is a part of learning and growing. Celebrate their efforts and failures as much as their achievements and teach them that every day is an opportunity to improve. As a school, we are committed to working in tandem with you to provide the best education and learning environment for our children. Together, we can help them realize their full potential and prepare them to become confident and responsible future citizens of this country. Thank you for entrusting us with your children's education and growth. Let us continue to support and inspire them to dream big, work hard and shine brightly. Thank you. God bless you.
Good evening, dear audience. This is Shiny Bharat of Standard 9 as your news anchor for the day. This is Sara Khan of Standard 9.
This is Sakshi from 11th Standard, and today we all are here to cover over the year updates of St. Mary's Senior Secondary School, Rampur.
Warm greetings to all. St. Mary's Senior Secondary School, Rampur, a blessed and distinguished temple of learning, has successfully completed over 6 decades of resounding success. As we look to the future, we are ready to embrace new challenges, continue our tireless efforts, and pursue excellence in every field. We would like to take a moment to reflect on the rich legacy of our beloved institution and to share the latest updates on recent events, achievements, and upcoming plans. Let's first begin with the academic news. Our school's scholastic accomplishments are a testament to meticulous planning and a commitment to systematic study. This year, our class 10 students achieved a 100% pass rate with an impressive highest score of 97.6%. In class 12, the highest score reached a remarkable 98.6%, further showcasing the academic caliber of St. Mary's. Moving on to the co-scholastic news, in line with our school's mission to foster well-rounded development, our calendar is filled with many enriching events, activities, competitions, and celebrations. The school stage has been a platform for our talented students, enhancing their confidence and spirit of initiative through morning assemblies on significant occasions such as Earth Day, Labour's Day, Mother's Day, Eid, Raksha Bandhan, Dashera, Diwali, and Guru Parv.
Coming to the exciting part of our school's bulletin, we will now show you the glimpses of the colourful celebrations of school. Special events like investiture ceremony felicitated Students' Council with the badge of honour. Feast of Mother Saint Anne was enthusiastically celebrated with the grandparents of students. Unique celebration of Teachers' Day touched the hearts of all the teachers. Independence Day spilled the colours of patriotism through their vibrant presentations, and Gandhi Jayanti highlighted the importance of cleanliness. This cultural fabrication added excitement and joy to the memories of everyone involved. Next news to cover is about school competitions and activities, which provided an open platform to the students to do and excel in cultural, literary and sports field. Competitions such as debate, speech, declamation, storytelling and poem writing polish their creativity, while dance, skit, dance drama, poster making and collage designing enhance their artistic ingenuity. The sports field welcomed the students to skip and jump, to hit and kick, to goal and run through the conduct of various different sports activities. Teachers training and students counseling has empowered our school to move forward efficiently. The school management held seminars with teachers on classroom management and NEP 2020, while Ms. Sharon Titus counsels students interested in studying abroad.
Further, if we talk about our outstanding achievements over the past 6 months, St. Mary's has enjoyed a shower of victories in inter-school competitions, highlighting the hard work, dedication and talent that define our school. Recently, in Sarotsa music competition, Melody of Sumedha Singh of class 9 won first prize. Buland Awaz of Amandeep Kaur second, and Jasjot Kaur from class 8 secured third position for her violin performance. In Sat Syed Day inter-school debate competition, Sakshi of class 11 secured first position and Abir of class 11 took second. Participation of Arunima of class 8 in Sanskrit talent search competition at Mandal level proved her excellence in Sanskrit language. Aradhya Tandon and Alaira Khan of class 7 won first and second prizes in Hindi debate on 2nd of October. Arunima and Jia of class 8 took first and second prizes in essay writing. Tanushri Padwa of class 12 and Nancy of class 11 placed third and fifth in Sadbhavna Daud. Abhi of class 11th took third position for Hindi speech competition organized by Solat Public Library, Rampur. In Vaad Vivad Pratyogita on the topic Online Shiksha, students of class 11, Amika Saxena got first prize and Muntaha Miraj took second. Our proud school received the Chal Vijanti Shield for outstanding performance. In Pratibha Khoj competition by Sanskrit Sansthan Lucknow, Arunima of class 8 secured second position at district level Sanskrit General Knowledge, and Adhya Gupta of class 7 won third position in Sanskrit Elocution. Glorious victory in inter-school speech competition organized by Northern Group of St. Anne added one more feather of pride in the shining crown of St. Mary's, with Ashpreet Kaur of class 2, Imani Khan of class 3 and Naila Mukarram of class 5 standing first, Nimrit Dua of class 1 second, and Tushti Jha of class 4 are third position. As per the recently announced results of inter-school painting and drawing competition, our school emerged as champion, securing first prizes in all 5 categories. Our talented young artists Almira, Alisa, Nitya, Ilza and Adifa from class 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 5th respectively achieved this remarkable honor. Moving on to sports achievements now, our school under 14 girls team secured second runner-up trophy at CBSE North Zone Girls Championship organized in Meerut. Our school under 19 girls hockey team stood victorious with third position in hockey cluster championship tournament. Sarika Maurya's triumph in national kickboxing championship multiplied the pride of our school. Our students showcased their talents, bringing laurels to Saint Mary. We humbly seek the Almighty's blessings to guide us towards greater accomplishments, inspiring us to continue with purpose, dedication and pride. That concludes the news for now. Thanks everyone for listening patiently and for encouraging us with your support.
This creative presentation of comprehensive and inspiring annual report has truly given us a glimpse into the incredible progress, milestones and triumphs our school has achieved this year. It highlights the remarkable accomplishments of our students, reflecting their hard work and dedication. And now it is time to honor and celebrate their brilliance and achievements. Ladies and gentlemen, we move on to the much anticipated prize distribution ceremony, a moment to shine a spotlight on the outstanding efforts and talents of our students who have made us all proud. To commence this segment, I very humbly invite our esteemed chief guest, honorable guests of honor, and Reverend Sister Principal to the stage. Please join me in welcoming them with a warm round of applause. As we begin this felicitation ceremony, let us remember the words of John Kennedy. Effort and courage are not enough without purpose and direction. And today, we honor those students who have combined their efforts, courage, and clear purpose to achieve excellence in academics. And we are delighted to start with the recognition of the Class 12 Academic Excellence Awards. These young scholars have not only excelled in their studies, but have also set a shining example for others to follow. And I very humbly request our esteemed chief guest, Captain Meher Sandhu, to kindly present the awards to our Class 12 toppers. In the science stream, we proudly recognize Anshika Saxena, who has achieved an outstanding 98.6% marks, a remarkable accomplishment reflecting her constant dedication and passion for learning. As she couldn't attend the function today due to her academic commitments, we have her proud parents here to receive the award on her behalf. Dear audience, please praise her excellence with a big round of applause. From the humanities stream, we honor Laiba Mirza, whose exemplary performance with 96.8% marks stands as a testament to her hard work and determination. She's here on the stage. She's reaching here on the stage to receive her prize. I request everyone to clap louder. And in the commerce stream, we celebrate Devanshi Gupta, who has achieved an impressive score of 95.4%, showcasing her focus and commitment to excellence. Dear Devanshi, please come and receive your award. Lovely audience, let's encourage our achievers with a thunderous round of applause. The true pride of a school lies in the achievements of its students, and our toppers Anshika, Laiba and Devanshi have truly set a benchmark of excellence. This gathering can contribute greatly to their joy if we all keep clapping. With that, उन्नयन जिसमें छिपा हो वह नमन दे जाइए, उन्नयन जिसमें छिपा हो वह नमन दे जाइए, प्रज्वलन जिसमें छिपा हो वह शमन दे जाइए। आपके प्रस्थान पर जो हमें सुरभि देता रहे, आज शब्दों का हमें ऐसा चमन दे जाइए। With the anticipation of enriching ourselves further, I now respectfully invite our chief guest, Captain Meher Sandhu, to inspire us with her golden words of wisdom. Dear Madam, your thoughts will surely leave a lasting impression on all of us.
Good evening to everyone gathered here today. especially our dearest principal, Mr. Jisi, Honorable Shweta Kashyap, and Mr. Raj Kamal Gupta. Esteemed members of the school management and beloved teachers, and most importantly, dear students. It is an extraordinary honor to stand here today, back in the school that shaped so much of who I am. I stand here as a proud alumna, a pilot with Air India, and one of the youngest chief guests to address this assembly. But more than all of that, I stand here as one of you, a small town girl who sat in these very classrooms and walked through these very corridors and dreamed of touching the skies. To begin, I would like to extend my deepest respect to the alumni present here today, who have gone on to achieve incredible milestones, leaders in government, pioneers in their fields, and change makers who continue to inspire us all. Your journeys remind us that this convent school, nestled in a quiet corner of India, has nurtured not just students, but leaders with the power to shape the nation and the world. For me, the school was my first runway, where I learned to take off in a world of possibilities. It instilled in me discipline, resilience, and faith, qualities that have carried me through the most turbulent of skies. I wasn't born with a silver spoon, nor did I have all the answers. What I had was a dream and the conviction that even a girl from a small town could one day sit in the cockpit of a national carrier. But let me tell you this, the path wasn't always smooth. There were moments of doubt, failure, and fear. Yet every time I faltered, I thought of the lessons taught here, not just in academics but in life. I remembered the values of our teachers, so patiently instilled in us, the courage to stand up for ourselves, the humility to keep learning, and the strength to persevere. To the students sitting here today, I want you to know that the possibilities ahead of you are endless. You may look up at us and see accomplished people, but remember, each of us once were where you are, wondering what lies beyond the walls of this school. The truth is, it doesn't matter where you start. It matters where you are willing to go. And for that, you must dream boldly, work tirelessly, and never let anyone define your limits. As a pilot, I have learned that it is not the size of the runway that matters, but the determination to take the flight. The world out there can sometimes feel vast and intimidating, but trust me when I say this, you're more than ready. This school has equipped you with wings strong enough to navigate any storm and dreams high enough to reach the stars. To my fellow alumni, thank you for being the guiding stars for generations of students. Your achievements prove that the greatness can emerge from the simplest beginnings. And your presence here today is a testament to the legacy of this school. Before I conclude, I want to leave you with a small piece of advice. Something I remind myself of every time I take off. No matter how far you go and how high you soar, always remember your roots. This school, this town, and the people who believed in you when the world didn't. Carry them with you in your heart. They are the compass that will guide you home, no matter where life takes you. To the students, dream big, work hard, and believe in the art of possible. To my teachers, thank you for lighting the spark in all of us. And to my fellow alumni, thank you for being an enduring source of inspiration. Together, we are proof that this school does not produce graduates. It produces dreamers, achievers, and leaders. And for that, we will forever be grateful. Thank you.
Thank you, dear ma'am, for your insightful and encouraging words and sharing your experiences as student here and as a proud captain. Your wonderful advice to our students to remember their roots will keep ringing in the corridors of this school for years to come. Thank you, dear ma'am. हर लम्हा यह अक्स आपका एक नया एहसास जगाता है, जीने की हमको नई राह दिखाता है। हजारों बार शुक्रिया उन शब्दों का जो दिल में कुछ करने का उत्साह जगा जाता है। Thank you so much. Thank you, dear ma'am. Moving forward, we now celebrate the academic brilliance of Class 10 Excellence Awardees. Their achievements are a testament to their steadfast endeavors and determination. As Mahatma Gandhi once said, the future depends on what you do today. These students have laid a strong foundation for their future success. And I now humbly request our guest of honor, Ms. Shweta Kashyap, to present the awards to our achievers. The first name on the toppers list of Class 10 is Apurva Sharma, who has achieved an impressive score of 97.8%. She is right here on the stage. And I would like to add that she is also the recipient of the Subject Toppers Award for Hindi and Mathematics, having scored a perfect 100 in both the subjects. Dear audience, your applause can work wonders to encourage her. The second highest scorer of Class 10 is Muntaha Meraj with 96.2% marks. I request her to come and receive her prize. The third topper of Class 10 is Khushi Bahuguna with a remarkable score of 96%. Please come and get your award, Khushi. And she is also the recipient of a perfect score of 100 in social science. Kindly appreciate her efforts with loud applause, dear audience. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Now, I invite our honorable guest of honor, Mr. Rajkumar Gupta ji, to give away the prizes to subject-wise toppers of Class 10. And I invite Adya Nautiyal for her excellence in English, scoring a perfect 100. Next is Anural Shakil. She has scored outstanding marks in science subject, an unbeatable score of 100. This is Anural Shakil receiving her prize. Next is Arzu Yaqub. She has exceptionally performed well in social science, scoring 100 marks. Finally, we recognize Adya Bharadwaj, Huda Khan and Falak Naz, who scored 97 in information technology. I invite them to the stage to receive their awards. This is Adya Bharadwaj. And here on the stage, receiving her prize is Huda Khan. तालियों में कंजूसी नहीं होनी चाहिए, dear audience. And this is Falak Naz, scoring highest marks demonstrated their perfection and excellence in subjects like English, Hindi, chemistry, accountancy, IT and painting by achieving 100% marks. But due to shortage of time, it's not possible to call all the students on the stage, but we deeply appreciate the meticulous effort and dedication of all our top scorers. And I now humbly invite our esteemed guest of honor, Shri Rajkamal Gupta ji, to address us all. We are eagerly waiting for your words of encouragement, sir.
A very warm good evening to all of you, ladies and gentlemen, the luminaries, the dignitaries, all students and the staff, and especially the honorary ladyship, the chairperson of MCD, chairperson of Municipal Corporation of Rampur. Are you guys having a good time? Are you enjoying, yes or no? Great. And let's make it a bit interactive, ladies and gentlemen. I really feel extremely proud for being here with all of you, and let me tell you, I'm visiting this premises, I'm visiting this August Institute after a gap of around 54 years, ma'am. It's been 54 years, and my extreme gratitude to principal ma'am that she called me up and invited me to my alma mater, and as a matter of fact, it makes me feel more proud than what I would have felt if I would have got an invitation to White House in Washington or Buckingham Palace in London. All of you guys know where these places are located. It gives me, I would have turned down those invitations to be present here with ma'am, with all of you, with my alma mater, and speak to you. I immensely feel proud, and I'm on cloud 9 right now interacting with all of you. Are you also feeling proud in interacting with one another? Yes or no? So, one big round of applause for all of you. All the faculty members are in a very exalted position. They are already feeling extremely proud of their achievements of being a faculty in St. Mary's Senior Secondary School. I want to make them feel more proud, and deliver a better, higher quality education. Wherever any support is needed, you know, we are open. We wish that we are able to give back something to the institution which made us rise, all of us rise to this level, am I right? All of us rise to this level. Besides, you guys, your kids, your wards, they are going to make an excellent career. Not only in your city, not only in your state, not only in your country, but all over the world. You are going to leave a mark on the world, and wherever you go, remember one thing, ladies and gentlemen, all the wards, all the kids, they let them consider themselves to be the brand ambassadors of St. Mary's Senior Secondary School. Brand ambassadors. And that is when all of you, all the parents are going to feel extremely proud, and all of you would be doing too good to the nation, to the community, and to this august institution. Thank you so much. I took up maybe more than allocated time, but I could
Thank you
not
so much,
resist the
sir, for
temptation.
your
Thank you.
enlightening words and sharing your overflowing joy for being a Marian. And your nostalgic feelings are really wonderful. And how wonderful it is. So after so many years, you remember each and everything you experienced here. Your deep sense of gratitude towards your teachers is super amazing. And you wonderfully motivated our students to do great in their lives. वर्षों तक महकते रहेंगे यूं ही हम. शब्द आपके आशीर्वाद के दिलों में अमिट छाप छोड़ गए. And now I request our Reverend Sister Manager, Sister Flavia, to kindly come to the stage as we wish to take this opportunity to present a small token of love, appreciation and gratitude to our honorable guests. स्मृति का यह नजराना हमारे स्नेह और सम्मान का है तराना। इसे स्वीकार कर हमें धन्य करें, आपकी प्रेरणा से हर क्षण रोशन करें। I request our very own adorable sister manager and sister principal to present mementos to our distinguished chief guest. Now I request our sisters to honor our honorable guest of honor, Ms. Shweta Kashyap and Shri Rajkamal Gupta जी। यह मेमेंटो नहीं, हमारी भावना का रूप है, आपके प्रति हमारे सम्मान और स्नेह का स्वरूप है। It is an immensely proud moment for our entire St. Mary's family to honor those who were once students in the classrooms here, performers on the stage here, and who later made St. Mary's proud with their very big achievements. यादों का यह तोहफा सहेज के रखिए, हमारे स्नेह का प्रतीक इसे समझिए। आपके सम्मान में यह समर्पित है, आपका साथ हमारे लिए अति विशिष्ट है। Thank you, dear guests and sisters. And now let us dive into a colorful and exciting evening that promises to mesmerize you with its magic, creativity, and brilliance. We are sure that you will enjoy this evening to the optimum.